I'd like to show you today, this is a Genesis GS29 mountain bike. It says off-road on it, but this is not designed to be ridden off-road or even on-road for that matter. Here's the rear wheel. I'd like to point out that the bearing on the right side is completely ground down right here. The bearing cup just lifted right out. You can see how silver the bearings are from grinding up all the metal. This is supposed to be a tight press fit. You're never supposed to be able to remove these. I don't have any spare 29er wheels kicking around with 48 spoke hole patterns. I don't have any spare 48 spoke hole hubs either, so I can't rebuild the wheel. So basically, Genesis 29er, good for about 500 miles, then throw it away.